Welcome to Mama Bill's Kitchen. When it's so hot that you don't feel like eating, never mind cooking, try this cold Spanish soup. You will need a 2-liter, 2-quart, sealable container to store this in. An extra bowl to store intermediate results might also be useful. Don't worry about measuring the vegetables exactly. Here are the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Tomato, bell pepper, cucumber, onion, garlic, white bread, tomato juice, olive oil, vinegar, salt, black pepper, cumin seed. Now let's make it. Deseed the tomatoes. One way is to cut them in half, perpendicular to the stem. You can squish them slightly to break up the structure, and then scoop out the seeds with a spoon. If you are ambitious, you can scoop the seeds and gel into a sieve, and then push the gel through to a bowl so the resulting liquid can be used as part of the tomato juice component. Deseed the bell peppers, and if you are using a large American-style cucumber, peel it and remove the seeds. Combine the liquid, olive oil, vinegar, and optional tomato juice, and spices, salt, black pepper, and cumin, in a large cup or small bowl. Soak the optional bread in water and squeeze out the excess water. Cut the vegetables and bread into large chunks and puree them with some of the liquid for 1 minute in a blender or food processor. You will probably need to do this in 3 or 4 batches to make it fit. Combine the chopped or pureed mixture and any remaining liquid in a sealable container. The basic recipe makes about 2 liters, 2 quarts. Give this all one last vigorous shake or stir to make sure the liquids and spices are distributed well. Seal the container, and chill for 2 hours or more. At serving time, add the optional toppings, see serving suggestions. By itself, this is rather unattractive, but you can spruce it up with any number of toppings such as a splash of cream, croutons, sliced ham, shrimp, chopped hard-boiled egg, chopped vegetables, onions, bell pepper, fruit, strawberries, orange sections, and fresh herbs, basil, cilantro, chives, oregano, rosemary, thyme. Now I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thanks for watching. For more recipes and cooking tips, please visit mamabills.com. Finally, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave us suggestions for other recipes and cooking tips in the comments.